Selamünaleyküm everyone, welcome to Ozyar Projects YouTube real estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. Today I am in again our beautiful city at Kocaeli in Turkey. And I would like to introduce family-oriented 4 rooms plus 1 living room, very spacious luxury roof duplex property for you today. And also this property is located in very well organized compound. We are at Yuvacık region in Kocaeli, and as you see on the video, all around us surrounded by beautiful green nature of the Kocaeli too. And when we look at the social facility abilities of the compound, we have outdoor swimming pool, indoor social facilities like Turkish bath, fitness, sauna, hammam, and also rent-a-clock security is also available in this beautiful compound too. Today we would like to introduce 4 rooms plus 1 living room, 4 bathrooms property, which is on the top floor with magnificent, breathtaking mountain view. So it's time to discover the interior situation of that beautiful property together. We are on the top floor on the building, and it's time to discover that beautiful apartment together. Let me remind you the specification of that beautiful property. We have 195 square meters gross area, which is coming with 4 rooms, 4 bathrooms and 1 living room. Please follow me. You can consider the concept of that property like semi-furnished because there are already dressing cabinets are available. And I have to mention that this apartment has beautiful scenery. Let me show you directly the scenery for you. Think about it. Directly beautiful mountain is welcoming you. It's beautiful and lovely. And I can say that easily, all the materials are the first quality. This is the living room section. The main heating system of the property is basing of the natural gas system, which is working the underfloor. As additional, we have chimney too. Think about it. The winter is nice, will be so romantic over here. And also we have really big terrace. This terrace was covered by the flip glass system, and again look at that beautiful breathtaking view. All the green nature is welcoming us. Let me show you also the other part of the terrace. Can you imagine it? The barbecue parties with your family members is going to be very enjoyable over here. And also there is very important section is available over here. You can put the outdoor kitchen cabinets over here because there is a pipes are available. You can put the tap and the kitchen cabinets for your dinner time in this beautiful terrace too. And from that angle we have green nature, sea view and mountain view too. So let's keep it up. Let me show you the other part of that beautiful property for you. Before getting inside the other part, let me show you the kitchen section. The kitchen section is directly next to living room and the balcony section. All the materials are inside the kitchen. Again, the first quality, we have classical and LED lighting system, and also next to kitchen we have one guest room or haddame room over here, and this room has this full bathroom over here. All the materials are first quality, and also shut-off is available inside the bathroom too. So let's keep it up. This is such a reverse duplex. The other rooms are located on the down floor. Let me show you what we have on the down floor too. When we reach the down floor, we have laundry room, room for kids, and master room. And right over here, we have extra storage area too. So I want to continue my tour from the room for kids section. This room is facing the other block, and right over here, we have full bathroom for this room too. I want to keep continuing my tour. Right over here we have again another room for kids section, and this room also coming with its own bathroom, and we are looking for the open scenery from this room too. Let me show you the last part of this property. Right over here we have master room. This section you can think about it for the dressing cabinet section. You can put your dressing cabinet section over here, and this is the full bathroom of this master room, and this is the bedroom section of the master room. And also you can put the split unit in each room inside this apartment, because there are already pipes and facilities are available. You don't need to drill any wall extra for this property too. It was the interest situation of this beautiful property. I hope that you enjoy what you saw on the video. For catching this beautiful opportunity in our beautiful city of Kocaeli, you can directly contact with me. My name is Hakan Özer. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090532207864. If you like our videos, please do not forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, please, your subscriptions are so important for us. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.